In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable live validation of form fields in HubSpot. This feature is incredibly useful when you want to ensure that the information being entered into forms is correct and complete before the user submits it. Live validation can save time for your team by reducing the number of incorrect or incomplete submissions you'll have to handle. Now let's walk through the steps to enable this feature. First, you'll need to access your HubSpot account. Once you're logged in, head over to the user guide. You can find the user guide in the main navigation bar at the top of the page when logged into your HubSpot account. This section is equipped with various instructions and tutorials, so it's worth getting familiar with. With the user guide open, we're now going to navigate to the settings section. In the top right corner of your dashboard, you should see the settings icon. It looks like a small gear or cog. Go ahead and click on that icon to open the settings menu. The settings menu houses all the personalization and configuration options for your HubSpot account. Next up, look for the marketing section in the settings menu. Give yourself a moment to get acquainted with the layout. The marketing tab should be on the left-hand side of the screen and form part of a larger list of options. Clicking on marketing will expand a new menu with additional configuration options. Among these options, you'll see a section labeled Forms. So go ahead and click on Forms. This brings us to a dedicated area where all form-related settings are managed, including where we enable live validations. Now, under the Forms section, you'll need to find Submission Settings. Click on this option to reveal all the settings you can configure relating to how form submissions are handled. Within this section, you'll be able to manage key features that affect the user experience directly, such as the validation we are focusing on today. Finally, within the submission settings, carefully look through the available options until you find Enable Live Validation of Form Fields. Once you locate that option, simply click on it to enable live validation. When this setting is turned on, it will actively check the form field values entered by users in real time, providing immediate feedback if something's amiss. By following these steps, you've successfully enabled live validation for your form fields in HubSpot. Remember, this feature helps maintain data integrity and improve the quality of submissions, allowing for smoother operations and better communication with your users. Thanks for watching, and happy form adjusting!